everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these are little pencil things, so I'll show you kind of what it is here. It's by NicPro Carpenter pencil set. So I kind of like these, and I'll show you why here in a second for what I can use them for. If I can get this open. Very weird. Okay, so it's a nice little set that you get here in this packaging. Comes with the little snaps. Oh, those snaps. And am I taped closed, or what am I doing? Oh, there we go. Okay, so then here we go. This is what you get inside of here, so it's a nice looking set. But I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So these are the pencils, and so this is what it looks like here. So it looks like just a big clunky pencil. But what you get is you get a pencil that comes out here like a mechanical pencil. But what you can do is you can like go nice and long with it. So if you're trying to mark holes or do something else, you can actually get, you know, good distance out of it into like a screw hole or something like that to mark it. So you kind of can pull it out and then it goes back in again. So it's a nice thick pencil versus like those super thin lead pencils. You can't really do that with that. Or, you know, trying to get something into a thin hole, you know, that's what you need. So these are perfect for that. And so these are super convenient. You carry them around, and it comes with a black one and a red one. So let's see. So this one here is going to be what, I guess it's got a red stuff in there, and this one has the black stuff in it. So very cool. And then it comes with, it looks like a whole bunch of extra little tips. So we have, I guess, yellow and red. I'm colorblind, so I might be wrong with colors. And it comes with 6 of these. It looks like it comes with a 4-pack. So you get 6 and then 6 of the black. And you get 2 sets of those. So you probably get 24 different pieces altogether of those. And then what else is this stuff here? I don't know what. Oh, a little pencil sharpener. Look at a tiny, cute little sharpener. I don't think I've ever seen a sharpener for one of these ones before. But that's the concept of it. You can stick it in there and sharpen it if you need to get that really good tip on that pencil. So it's funny, my older one I had never had the sharpener for it. It's a great idea. I always kind of had to just scratch it at an edge. But very cool. So you get the little sharpener, you get the 2 of these, you get the case, and it's a nice set. So I'm going to say this is really cool. I'm going to put this red back in and the black back in. And you can just keep this in your kit, and then you'll always have it with extra leads and everything like that ready to go. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's going to go into my kit to go, ready to the next time I'm going to do some work. And very cool. So I'm going to say this is a really nice set. Thumbs up from me on this. I'm going to put a link to it in my description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.